guys, it's me, Thriftastic Mom, and today I'm going to share my bathroom makeover with you. Now, I didn't remodel my bathroom or anything like that. I just made it over, changed some decor in it, and actually made me a little storage area in my bathtub. Now, some of you may be against doing that, that's you, but I live in a small mobile home. It's just me and my husband. We don't have any children. Nobody uses that bathtub, so I thought, why not make it into a bathroom little storage space for me? It's behind a curtain, so if you don't peep in there, you don't know what's in there. So I had like a picture hanging on the wall behind my toilet. I had a cross hanging across from my toilet on the wall, and just this pretty little shower curtain that I had. But I wanted to spruce it up a little more than that, make it a little nicer. That way when people come over, they use it. Me and my husband uses it some, but not very often, because we have our own bathroom in our bedroom. So hopefully I'll be able to find some old footage of my bathroom, put in a few clips or a piece of video showing you my bathroom. I live in a small mobile home. It's only a 16 by 57, so it's kind of short. So I don't have a lot of storage space, and I've been trying to redo things, reorganize things to, maximize my space. I don't have a lot of cabinet space for food, so I did set up another shelf in my eBay room actually to do that, to set my foods and things on. It just kind of works out better for me. I've been in this mobile home for about, I guess, 7 years maybe, and the way I got it right now is working good for me. Since I decided to put a little storage area in my bathroom, in my bathtub, then, I thought I'm going to go ahead and redo the bathroom. Spruce it up, make it look nice, and, have a nice bathroom for guests. So in this next clip, you will see my new bathroom, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some ideas if you need a little bit of storage space like I did. A bathtub, I have done this before in other homes, so if you've got a bathroom you don't use, it can be a good storage area, so just keep that in mind if you need it. But anyway, let's get on into the bathroom makeover. Okay guys, here is my newly redone bathroom. It's kind of small, so I'm kind of having to stand in my eBay room here just to give you a little bit of a look of how it looks when you walk in. And then I'll take you in there and show you what I did a little bit more up close. That's what it looks like. I did have a different shower curtain up, and I had just a picture back here on my wall where I put up the shelf. And I put the shelf up a little bit high because I didn't want anybody hitting their head on anything. So let me kind of show you up close what I did. I try to keep this bathroom pretty clean, but it ain't spotless because we do use it from time to time. We have our own bathroom in our bedroom that is not pretty as this one for sure. So this one is for guests mostly. When they come over, I like to have a nice clean bathroom. So anyway, I put the new shelf up here, so I wanted to kind of tie everything together because I put my little bird cloak in here. I made that a couple years ago, and I thought, well, I'll just kind of tie all this together and make it kind of match around that bird cloak, because I've been wanting to put that out, but it don't really go with the decor in my living room and kitchen. So anyway, let me kind of show you over here. Of course, is my mirror and my little vanity area, my sink. I did get this little sign here. It says, "Our nest is best." And I thought that just kind of tied in with the greenery in here and the brown. And because I got the little bird in there, I thought that just kind of tied in. Over here, I bought this white soap dispenser just to tie in with all the white in here in the bathroom. Over here on the toilet, all I did was put my little bird cloak that I made. I made this a couple of years ago if you hadn't ever seen it. I went in Michael's one day and I've seen this beautiful cloak in there. It had a bird and eggs in it. So I kind of got this stuff and redid it. So I found this bird cloak at the, I think the thrift store. And then I bought the bird and the little eggs and butterfly and stuff to put in it to make my own, because the one at Michael's was like $25. And I knew I could make one a lot cheaper than that. So I just set him in here on the back of the toilet. I thought he looked kind of cute. Put him on the toilet. I do keep extra toilet paper down there, and I have a little brown trash can there. So I picked that shelf up, I think, at TJ Maxx maybe. It's still got a little bit of a lean. I tightened it up as much as I could, but I feel like it needs to be, probably gonna have to get my husband to tighten it a little bit more just to make it set straight up, because it has a little bit of a lean down on it. But I thought it turned out super cute. I actually picked up that white tub, I think at either Big Lots or Burlington, I'm not sure. I just stuck some brown and white wash rags in there. Then I put that little sign in there. I actually ordered that sign off Etsy. It says, "If your duties be cray, use the spray." And I just set that up there. And then I had this little plant here already, because it had a white, well, it ain't really white, it's like a cream colored base. I put that up there. And then on these hooks, I just put this sign. It says, "Love makes our house a home." I can't remember where I got that sign. Maybe Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. Let's see. It might say on the back. I'm bad about not taking stickers. Oh no, I got this from $5. I think I got that from Target Dollar Spot, but it was $5. I have to get it still because it just hangs. Anyway, I got that. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I paid about $11 and something for that. And then I got this white basket. I wanted a different, like, brown wicker basket, but I haven't been able to find one perfect to fit my toilet paper. So I had picked this white one up, and I cut one of the handles off just so it would hang like that. And I just threw in a roll of toilet paper in there. So that's going to stay like that, unless I happen to come across a really cute basket that I can use that's a little bit smaller to hold one roll of toilet paper. But I thought it turned out cute. I love that little shelf with the bird up under it. Okay, over here behind my door's right here. I used to have a cross here, but I put the cross in my bedroom, and I just put this sign. Now, this sign is one I think I found at a thrift store. It says, "Life takes you to unexpected places. Love brings you home." So because it was white with a little bit of gold and black, kind of tied in with my colors, so I put that on the wall for them to read, look at while they're sitting on the toilet. So that's pretty much everything I did in there, except the shower curtain. I did change it out. I had a pretty shower curtain out there that I loved, but it wasn't long enough. And I wanted to make this bathtub into kind of a storage for me, because we don't use the bathtub. So I bought me this nice long brown shower curtain. It goes all the way pretty much to the bottom of the tub, all the way to the floor. And I did raise up my rod up there. It was a lot lower. It was like right over the top of the bathtub. I really didn't like that, because you could stand out here in the hall and see the shower head. So I wanted to raise that up for a long time anyway, so I finally got around to it. But anyway, I used the same hooks that I had on my other one. Raised up the rod. Now, the only downfall to raising up that rod is I can't hang shirts on it anymore. I used to hang my shirts on it when I wash them, because I don't never dry my shirts. And I'd hang my shirts up on it to dry. Well, now I can't even reach to put the shirts up on the rod. So I just kind of hang them off my bar in there now till they get dry. But anyway, it's pretty high, so I can't really reach it. But anyway, it's a nice storage area. Okay, we're going to pull the curtain back. And let me just kind of show you what I did in here. I went to Walmart and I bought me one of these little $15 shelves. And I stuck it in the tub. And this is where I keep some of my storage. I said that I was going to start, stocking up on things. That way we don't have to run out to the store. Every time we run out of something, we have to run out to the store to get it, whether it's a pack of Band-Aids or whatever. And I'm like, I need to start stocking up on this stuff. So, I have a little bit. I've got several packs of toilet paper there. And a little bit of paper towels. I go through paper towels a lot. So, I did have like 4 or 5 in here, and I just haven't got any recently. So, I'm down to these 2 packs, and I just opened that one. So, I keep my toilet papers over here. Just stack them up. And then up here, I'm just keeping all of my paper towels that I buy stacked up on top of each other right there. And then I kind of made this top shelf here for like Lysol wipes and cleaners and Dawn and Awesome and sandwich bags. I got some Suavitel and, just different cleaners, glass cleaners, stuff like that sitting on that shelf. Down here on this shelf, I just bought these 2 baskets. And I think I got these at Dollar Tree maybe. And they don't quite sit side by side real good, so I got them just kind of cocked like that a little bit, because they're a little bit too wide. But they work. They're fine. I got several like hand sanitizers in here. We already had some of those left over from the COVID. Hand sanitizers, razors. I got a bunch of deodorants because I can get these at Dollar Tree for $1. These are the kind I like to use. So I got several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 of them. I got some peroxide, alcohol. I got like 3 boxes of Band-Aids. And then I got a couple of these hand soaps. There's only a certain kind of hand soaps that I can use because I'm allergic to a lot of them that have a certain chemical in them that I'm allergic to. So I have to be careful what kind of hand soaps I pick up. So I went ahead and got a couple of those and put in there. I got some of these floss picks that I like. Several packs of those. Toothpaste. Some of these I already had. But, when I go to like Dollar Tree, I pick up more. So I got about 5. Looks like 5 packs of toothpaste in here. A little pack of, I think I've got this at a thrift store actually. A little pack of Sensodyne. And then I got several packs of toothbrushes that I already had. And I just kind of threw them in there. So that's like our little dental bin that's got all our toothpaste and stuff like that in it. And of course I'll add more stuff as I pick it up, and throw in here. I got a couple shampoos, and I think both of them shampoo. This is the one I use. I specially ordered this one because it don't have chemical in it that I'm allergic to. So I got an extra shampoo. I don't know how good you can see that because of the glare. Joico. I use that shampoo, and then I just got a basic Suave shampoo for my husband. I got an extra pack of Huggies wipes down here. And this is some Studio hand soap. Studio Selection hand soap refill. I just got sitting down there. So that's pretty much what this area is for, is just to stock up on extras, just to have it. I really love it since I've been doing it like this. I love just when I run out of something, I can come in here and let me go in here in my little stash and see if I got it. Because sometimes I forget what I have in here. And I'll come in here and I'll be like, oh yeah, I got a bottle of Dawn. See, I don't have to run out and get it right then. I can just get it when I go back out and try to stock it up, So it's been working out pretty good. And I haven't bought anything to put in here in a couple weeks. So I did have more than this in here actually. But I do need to keep stocking up. Because if you use it all up and you don't keep restocking it, then you're going to run out, right? But anyway, that's pretty much what I did with the bathtub area. Is made it into a storage room. It works out great. It actually works out really good because, we don't use this bathtub. And living in a small mobile home like I live in, I need the extra space. So if you're not utilizing your bathtub, consider making it into a little storage area. I did set a box up under the shelf so the shelf didn't scratch up or hurt my tub. So, it's working out pretty good. And nobody knows that there's anything behind there unless they happen to just open it up and look in there. But if they do, it don't matter. It's a storage area for me. And I do keep a little bit of stuff down here under my sink. Not a whole lot. A little basket and some different things. Light bulbs. Stuff like that. But that's it. That's pretty much my little makeover on my bathroom, y'all. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my bathroom makeover. I like it. I think it's beautiful. It's simple, not too overdone, neutral, and I just love the little pops, the little signs, and it gives people something to read while they're sitting in there using the restroom. So, it's a win-win. They got lots of stuff to look at while they're in there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I would appreciate you subscribing if you want. And come back and see me. So if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Click on all. That way you can see when I upload videos or do posts. Sometimes I'll post things. Or ask you questions or whatever. So you'll get all that if you hit the all button. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.